Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw Ennui from the movie Inside Out 2. For this drawing we'll need colored pencils black, gray, blue, light blue, purple, and lilac. This drawing is 30 squares tall and 18 squares wide. We'll start with the black color. Skip 6 squares from left to right. In square number 7, mark 7 horizontally. Bottom left 2 horizontally. Bottom left 1. Bottom left 3 vertically. Bottom left 2 vertically. Bottom left 8 vertically. Bottom right 1. Bottom right 5 vertically. Bottom right 4 vertically. Bottom right 1. Bottom right 5 horizontally. Bottom left 2 vertically. From this square, bottom right 2 vertically. From this square, right 5 horizontally. From this square, skip 1 square to the left and mark 1. From this square, up 1. Skip 1 square to the left and mark 1. Top right 2 vertically. Top left 1. From this square, top right 6 vertically. Top left 2 vertically. From this square, right 1. Skip 1 square downward and mark 1. From this square, top right 3 vertically. Top left 2 vertically. Top left 2 vertically.
top
left again 2 vertically. From this square, top right 3 horizontally. Bottom right 1. From this square, top 5 vertically. Top right 2 vertically. Top right 2 vertically. Top right 3 vertically. From this square, right 1. Bottom right 2 diagonally. From this square, right 2 horizontally. Top right 1. From this square, bottom right 2 horizontally. Top right 1. From this square, bottom right 3 horizontally. Top right 1. From this square, bottom right 2 horizontally. From this square, down 1. Bottom left 3 vertically. From this square, left 1. Top left 1. From this square, down 2 vertically. Bottom left 1. Top left 2 vertically. Top left 2 vertically. From this square, right 1. Top right 1. Top left 1. Top left 2 horizontally. Top right 2 vertically. Bottom right 1. Bottom right 2 horizontally. From this square, bottom right 3 diagonally. Bottom right 2 vertically. Bottom right 13 vertically. bottom left 1, top left 3 vertically, from this square, bottom left 2 horizontally, bottom left 3 horizontally, top left 2 horizontally, from this square, top 4 vertically, now let's color all the squares we marked. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be part of the Pixeler Club. Now let's take the purple color. Mark 1 here. Mark 1 here. Now color the eyes and all the hair. In the top corner, I leave you the link to my other drawing channel with hundreds of tutorials waiting for you. Next, take the lilac color. Mark 2 vertically here. From this square, write 1. Mark 1 here. From this square, top right 1. Mark 1 here. And now let's paint all these areas. Now take the gray color and mark 1 here. Another one here. Also mark this one. And color. Take the light blue and mark 1 here. From this square, left 3 horizontally. And color. Now take the blue and paint the following areas. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in another video. Sending you a giant hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!